There's no way I can keep up.
Let me help. It is time to reshape how meetings work. You focus on the conversation, leave the notes to me. This is me, BOYA Notra. Turn on ambient recording, I'll capture everything and identify each speaker for you.
Once we're aligned, we can adjust the budget and move forward with a clearer timeline.
Generate summaries and to-dos, and with one tap, syncs to everyone. Even the most content-heavy meetings feel easy.
Hello?
Let me brief you on the situation here.
Sure.
I'm also a pro at recording on the go. Even in noisy environments, I capture conversations clearly. One press instantly marks key moments. With massive memory, record as much as you need.
This is so hard.
Don't worry, try Bluetooth earbud recording. I'll help you organize it. Supports more than 140 languages, so you never miss a key point. Instantly maps out your ideas, makes all the content easy to digest.
Awesome.
Leave the notes to me. Watch your productivity take off.